Let's make beef masala with Afghan naan. We'll start with oil. Add some cumin seeds. Now I'm gonna add 2 finely chopped onion and capsicum. Fry these until light brown. You can see that the onion and peppers are light brown. I'm gonna add ginger and garlic. This is like 3 tablespoons and you need this much. Now stir fry this for another minute. Once the ginger garlic has been fried for a minute, add beef. This is half kg of beef and you can see that I've cut it into really small pieces. Add that. Now fry this on very high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. You can see that the beef has changed its color. I'm gonna add some coriander powder in it, garam masala, paprika, chili flakes, black pepper. Mix this. Add 2 chopped tomatoes in it. Mix it. Half cup of water. Now I'm gonna close the instant pot and I'm gonna pressure cook this for about 20 minutes. For the naan, I've taken about 4 cups of plain all-purpose flour here. I'm gonna add a tablespoon and a half of instant dry yeast, some salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, yogurt, added 3 tablespoons. Mix everything. You need warm water to knead the dough. Now cover this and let it rise for at least 1 to 2 hours until it's double in size. To glaze the naan, I'm gonna take a tablespoon of plain all-purpose flour, add a little bit of water to make a paste. That's it. You're gonna roast it until all the masala is just dissolved. Add the salt now as well. I didn't add the salt before because I think, or it's my experience, that whenever I add the salt before pressure cooking the meat, it becomes a bit hard. So I've added the salt now and I'm gonna roast this. Transfer the beef into a pan so you can see that the oil has separated on the side. Now I'm gonna add yogurt in it. Now cook this again on high heat until the oil separates again. Oil has separated again. I'm gonna add a lot of sliced ginger, chopped coriander, green chilies in it. Here's the naan dough. Just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on it. You just knead it for a minute again. Now dust some plain all-purpose flour on your work surface. Take the dough, roll it out. When it's ready, I'm just gonna poke some holes in the center. Hot pan or tawa, whatever you call it, we call it tawa. So this is hot. Now I'm gonna glaze the naan with the flour and water mixture that we made. Some sesame seeds on it, nigella seeds. Now I'm gonna put this under the grill in the oven. Here's the naan.